We all know we're supposed to wear sunscreen to prevent sunburns and skin aging. But do you know what's actually happening to your cells when you step outside? The sun doesn't just burn your skin, it actively alters your genetic code. Today we're diving deep into the science of ultraviolet radiation and how it causes direct and indirect damage, and the cutting-edge smart sunscreens equipped with active DNA repair enzymes that literally reverse the damage while you wear them. Let's get into it. First, let's break down the invisible threat. The sun emits three main types of UV rays, but they don't all reach us equally. Let's start with the UVA or ultraviolet A radiation. This is the longest wavelength, ranging from 315 to 400 nanometers, and it accounts for over 95% of the UV radiation reaching us down here on Earth. UVA can easily penetrate through clouds, glass, meaning it's hitting you even on overcast days, or through your car windshield. It penetrates deep into the dermis, causing premature aging and wrinkles. UVB, this is a medium wavelength ranging from 280 to 315 nanometers. Only about 5% of UVB gets through the ozone layer, but it packs a punch. It hits the top layer of your skin and is the main culprit behind sunburns. And finally, we have UVC or ultraviolet C radiation. This is the strongest, highest energy, and most dangerous ray. It ranges from 100 to 280 nanometers. Thankfully, natural UVC is completely absorbed by our atmosphere and the ozone. The only time you'll encounter UVC is from artificial sources like welding torches, mercury lamps, or germicidal UV lighting used for sterilization. So how do these rays actually cause cancer? Well, it comes down to two types of DNA damage: direct and indirect. Direct DNA damage is primarily caused by UVB rays. When your DNA directly absorbs a UVB photon, the energy forces a highly abnormal chemical reaction. It causes two adjacent pyrimidine bases in your DNA, like for example two thymines, to improperly bond with each other, creating what is known as a pyrimidine dimer. And this dimer creates a physical bulge in the DNA helix that blocks your cells from replicating correctly. And if left unrepaired, it can cause genetic mutations that lead to skin cancers like melanoma. The sunburn you feel is actually your body's inflammatory warning signal that this direct damage has already occurred. Indirect damage, on the other hand, is the silent killer, mostly caused by UVA radiation. Instead of hitting the DNA directly, UVA hits other light-absorbing molecules in your skin, and this creates highly toxic free radicals and reactive oxygen species, which then bounce around your cells and damage the DNA through oxidative stress. This happens with zero warning signs, no pain, no burn. Now, besides cancer, this UV damage is also secretly accelerating how old you look. In fact, up to 90% of the skin changes we usually blame on premature aging are actually caused by UV damage. In dermatology, this is called photoaging. When those long wavelengths UV rays penetrate deep into your dermis, they wreak havoc on your skin's structural support. The UV radiation triggers your skin to increase the expressions of these proteins called matrix metalloproteinases, or MMPs, and these enzymes literally degrade your type 1 and type 3 collagen while causing an abnormal dysfunction of buildup of elastin. These MMPs mediated destruction of your dermal tissue is what directly contributes to wrinkling. But that's not all. Remember those reactive oxygen species we just talked about? They deplete your skin's natural antioxidant stores, and this oxidative distress can lead to telomere shortening, which is directly associated with the premature senescence of rapid aging. At a microscopic level, chronic UVC exposure actually alters the skin structures, causing a loss of normal epidermal polarity, increased epidermal thickness, and abnormal keratinocytes. So clinically, this cellular and structural breakdown manifests on the surface as the fine and coarse wrinkles, roughness, dryness, brown spots, and visible spider veins known as telangiectasia that we associate with getting older. And here's the crazy part. Humans have a biological deficit. Most plants, bacteria, and some animal species have an enzyme called Photolyase that perfectly fixes these pyrimidine dimers. Photolyase binds to the damaged DNA structure and uses the energy from visible blue light to instantly break these mutant bonds, restoring the DNA flawlessly without cutting the strand. The discovery of how these DNA repair mechanisms work was so groundbreaking that it won the 2015 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. But humans, we lost this ability during evolution. We have to rely on different repair processes called a base excision repair, where the damaged DNA segment is actually cut and removed and then remade. If a human has defective repair proteins, they suffer from a rare genetic disease called xeroderma pigmentosum, leaving them with an incredibly high risk of skin cancer. So since we don't naturally produce this photolyase, scientists figured out a way to give it to us. The absolute best sunscreens on the market today don't just block UVA and UVB, they actually repair your DNA. And this is what you need to look out for in elite sunscreens. DNA repair enzymes. Advanced sunscreens extract photolyase from marine bacteria and encapsulate it in microscopic liposomes. Because these liposomes mimic our cell membranes, they penetrate our skin and deliver the enzymes straight to your damaged DNA. Clinical studies show this heavily reduces DNA damage and stop the expressions of precancerous mutations. And two great examples of these technology are Isdin Photo Eriphotona Actinica and Heliocare 360 degrees, AK. Another ingredient are antioxidants. Because indirect UVA damage is caused by free radicals, look for formulas that have vitamin C, green tea polyphenols, or ferulic acid to neutralize the threat. Also, iron oxides. If you want to protect against high energy visible light, blue light specifically, standard filters aren't enough. So look for a tinted sunscreen containing red, yellow, and black iron oxides, which physically block blue light and prevent hyperpigmentation. There's also new generation chemical filters and BNPs. Modern filters are incredibly stable. Also, look out for cutting-edge bioadhesive nanoparticles that keep chemical filters safely on the surface of your skin, completely preventing them from penetrating into your bloodstream. Sun protection is no longer just about avoiding a burn, it's about preserving your genetic blueprint. A broad-spectrum SPF 50 is your baseline, since it blocks both UVA and UVB rays. But adding DNA repair enzymes and antioxidants is the ultimate anti-aging and cancer prevention hack. So let's put all of this together to get the most benefit. First, apply a broad spectrum SPF 50 plus daily and throughout the day. Also, wearing UPF 50 clothing can block 58% or more of the sun rays. Seek shade, especially when the sun is highest out, now that we're in summer. Regular daily sunscreen has been clinically proven to decrease the risk of squamous cell carcinoma by 40%, melanoma by 50%, and slow down skin aging by up to 20%. If you've learned something new today, please hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed skincare, and drop a comment below letting me know which sunscreen you're currently using. Stay safe and see you next time.